Happy Valentine's Day. You've landed on Carrie's Crochet Corner. Today we're making a crochet heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This video is for someone who wants to learn how to make a heart, or you just want to watch how someone makes a heart out of yarn. I'm going to be using US terms today, using worsted weighted yarn and a size H hook. Here's my sample in two different colors. Here's our red, and here is our pink. So sit back and watch. We're going to start this crochet heart here. You can see that. It's going to start in a round with a magic circle, and then we're going to work around that round after we do some half doubles. So to get started, lay the tail across the underside of your hand in a diagonal, cross that over, flip your hand over, and you have two parallel lines. Take your size H hook, go under the first piece, grab the yarn, twist it, and then grab that yarn again and go through the loop that's on your hook. Okay. And then I'm going to do another chain here. I'm going to do 12 half doubles into the ring. To do a half double, you're going to yarn over, go into the center, grab your yarn. Now you have 3. Yarn over and go through all 3. So 11 more of those. All right, once you have 12, you're going to cinch up that hole. I'm going to pull my tail, and then we're going to slip stitch to the beginning here. Okay, now we're going to chain 2. I'm going to start working two double crochets right here. To do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up with a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through another 2. We're going to do another one right in that same stitch. Okay, in the next stitch right here, we're going to do 3 triples. To do a triple, you're yarning over twice. So it looks like you have 3 loops here. Go into that stitch, grab the loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through another 2, and then the last 2. That's your triple. We're going to do another triple. We're going to do 2 more triples there to make 3. Another triple. Okay, now 2 double crochets in that third stitch right here. Now we're going to do 1 double here and then 1 double in the next one. Okay, now we're going to do a triple here, then a chain 1 and a triple in that same space. This is the point of your heart. Chain 1, another triple, Now we're working on to the other side of the heart. We're doing the opposite of what we just built. So now we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now 2 double crochets here. Three double crochets in the next stitch, 3 triple crochets, now 2 doubles crochets here in our last stitch, and to finish off I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch into the middle here to go through that hole, grab the yarn, and then just pull it through that loop. Now what I did was I cinched everything, so I'm going to fasten off, just snip my yarn, pull that through, and then what I did, and then I'm just going to tie these ends together so you could hang it. I was thinking you could put it on a card too. And now I'm just going to loop these together. And then snip that, and there you have a heart. All right, so you're starting with that magic circle, 12 half doubles, and then building each side of the heart. So happy Valentine's Day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Carrie's Crochet Corner.